The next item that we're checking out is cyanuric acid. Our cyanuric acid, or also known as stabilizer, is what gives our pool and the water, and more importantly our chlorine, a defensive layer against the sun. The sun is the number one thing that eats our chlorine. To give the chlorine some defense against that sun, we use cyanuric acid, or stabilizer. Half of each hockey puck or chlorine tab is stabilizer, and the stabilizer is used to raise cyanuric acid. But cyanuric acid needs to be between 30 and 70 parts per million. Anything higher than that could be considered dangerous. And anything lower than that, you'll never be able to keep chlorine in the water because the sun will just eat it up. So it's important to verify and make sure that your cyanuric acid level is in the proper range. And it's also very important to remember that if you have a high cyanuric acid but you need chlorine, it's best to use shock. Shock is a pure chlorine method and doesn't come with any extra ingredients, like your hockey puck. And don't forget, half of that hockey puck is stabilizer. And even though you need chlorine, you'll be inadvertently raising your cyanuric acid level.